So I'm Dr. Maha Ragunath, and I have been a consultant in fertility for over 20 years. And I trained in Chennai in Madras Medical College, which is world renowned for its medical training and is one of the oldest medical colleges in the world. And I finished my undergraduate, postgraduate training in India before I moved to the UK in 1991. So since then, I have been in the UK system, gone through graduate training, finished my membership and my fellowship and my master's in reproductive sciences and IVF, special skills in IVF with reproductive medicine, laparoscopic surgery, gone through the CCST program, and now I find myself in a third health system, which is Australia. I love the system here and I love the patients here, and I love that I'm able to practice the job I love doing the most, which is getting patients having babies. So I'm very passionate about recurrent implantation failure, and I try and address that in all my fertility patients. And if you don't pay attention to that from the very start, you can find that patients very quickly slip into that group of patients which you want to really avoid. But by paying attention to detail and addressing all the initial factors right at the very start, when the patient presents with their best fertility in terms of ovarian reserve and semen modalities, I think we can help a lot more people. So yeah, definitely recurrent implantation failure is my favorite. A lot of my patients, I get pregnant, so I don't get to see a lot of them back, but I do believe the ones that I have would come back to me because they trust me and that I would do the best for them. I think in Adora, everybody, especially the staff now, are very committed and are very caring and want to do the best for their patients, and I think that floats above everything else. And I think a lot of my staff are able to do that inherently and naturally, and that's one of the best things about Aurora. But equally, having said that, I think we can reach out with IVF to the population that perhaps needs it the most in terms of the bulk billing that affords affordable patient IVF treatment. And I think that's one of the best things about Aurora that is not talked about enough. And I'm here to shout it out from the rooftops because they can get the best treatment they possibly can at the lowest cost. I would just like to say that as a team in Adora, we work very well, and I would like to think that patients get the best value for money because we're not only cheap as a fertility treatment, but we're also a very caring and hospitable team.